We're now going to tour the Now Larimar. They hand us towels right when we get off.
One for you. Thank you. One more.
Just stepped inside. This is gorgeous. What do you think, Karen? Oh, look at you getting your drink picture. They just handed us all some drinks when we stepped inside.
As you know, for every resort there needs to be reservations for in-person visitors. The only one that needs reservation is the Japanese for the also next to us we have the other property that is the Siemens Beach, that is our only the Siemens one is the Now Larimar, so the Now Larimar is the other, and then that's what we have over here.
Like I don't care.
And this is the casino, it's for both properties. Normally it's open from 2 p.m. until 2 a.m.
It's not a fake casino, Karen.
Yeah, in this one no, because this is the disco. We don't have anything here. Well, now we are in the sport bar, the teenager zone. This is the sport zone for teenager and also the sport bar.
So is that across all of the main resorts for the French restaurant is adult only?
Yes.
And they mentioned
Yeah, the
that
other reason, yeah.
it's always the one that we need.
It smells good in here.
Here we have retail.
Oh, Zoetry.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're
We
gonna
are
see
on
what.
Thursday.
That's right, I read that down. Yeah.
In total, we have 6 a la carte restaurants, 2 buffet, 1 here and 1 in the garden section, 2 bottom of the grill, and 1 prepared restaurant.
I do too.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, this is nice.
We have that weekend here, for example, in the one yes, and also here is very different. Normally when the client have anything else normally completely free. In case that you would like, I don't know, to go outside and pay for the babysitting, have an additional cost. I think that it's free.
That's a fault line mentality, the whole buddy.
Well, some buildings, I mean, maybe they have some for the.
It's important that I will tell you the truth. Normally all the rooms inside look similar. This category room have something in particular because it's in the corner and the balcony is more bigger than the regular.
Gotcha.
You can enter.
Thank you.
This one is preferred partial ocean view. Okay.
Full, that's what we want.
This is what's called the combination of traffic jam.
This is the other thing I wanted, Brooke, was this little makeup mirror.
Oh, you need a ladder. And there's a door in the bathroom.
Imagine that.
Oh, there's a door. Yeah, because when room service comes in and shower, it's always fun. That's a big thing. Yeah, I was like, yeah, like your room was long too. I'm what?
Your room is hot.
Yes. No, because they are like the room. Yeah, and it's like one view.
These are 2 pillows.
Next one is asleep.
No, that's here. The maximum occupancy is 3 adults and 1 kid. We don't yes, for example, in the preferred, we have a lot of food like zero guarantee. In case that you want to guarantee the connected room, the only room that we sell like
So you have a view to the.
Yeah, she said it was like partial ocean, partial pool view.
we have Wi-Fi in each room and also in all the areas of the increase. We have room service for 23 to 24 hours. The telephone also in the center.
You said rollaways if they're available. So they have
upon arrival and also on a cover or in the room upon arrival. Also we give a romantic
Yesterday was cloudy.
Go upstairs, okay?
This is Secrets Royal Beach. Look at this pool. So I got a whole array of stuff from the buffet. Everything looks so good. They were doing a made to order pasta station. Lots of good stuff.